Hi everyone, Paul down here at CCRV. Right, we've got Steve who's on the camera today. So what we're going to do, Steve and his mate are going to go down and deliver this Palomino fifth wheel. We sold this in 2011 and we're just taking it back in part exchange. So it's really held up well. It's 15 odd years they've had that. So it's done really well. So we've sold it to some folks, and what they're going to do is they're doing a self-build. I think they're taking the roof off the house or something. So it's a perfect scenario for anybody that's doing renovations, temporary living, all sorts of things, you know, where you want temporary accommodation basically. On this one, we've even put a cat flap in for the old cat. So that'll be really home from home for the little cat. We'll have a look in there, Steve. They probably might be able to see through the window, but it's a lovely layout. It's all well insulated, perfect for living in, so it'll be a little adventure for them. So Steve's going to do a bit of video, and when he gets down to the site, I think they're going to Bedford. But this is a cheap fifth wheel for somebody to live in. Now, there's our address, CCRV. If you're in the market for this sort of thing, give us a call. So, like and subscribe to the channel, don't forget, it helps us out. Well, that's it, now switch it off.